Hello friends, hello. I'm excited to do this video. Introducing Bella May. I waited until today to unbox this. I went, you know that I love certain detailers on YouTube. Their videos have been a very big help to me. Trying to navigate this journey and learn how this craft works, trying to find more easier ways to do the job. And one of the people that I watch is Serrano's Mobile Detailing, and the reason that I like his videos is he talks about it, he explains it. He tells you this is what works for me. It may not work for you, but this will give you a general foundation, and then you can, modify things as you go to make it work for you. I'm 5'1", okay? So detailing can be a big challenge for me in certain places. So having those types of videos out there really has helped, and so I've really enjoyed his videos since I started watching them. I'm gonna say I found his videos about a month after I started detailing. I stayed really quiet on YouTube for a while until I kind of got comfortable with things, and then I started commenting and stuff like that. The other one is Attention to Details with Chelsea. I really enjoy her channel because she kind of breaks things down, and that kind of video, which is what both of them do, helps me a bunch. So recently I decided to go and follow both of them on social media. And as I've gotten to know Mr. Serrano's, Mr. Carlos as I call him, but you know me, I've always said Miss whatever or Mr. whatever. I've actually enjoyed this man. He's got a sense of humor that is awesome, and that is something that's very hard to come by in today's day and age when we have everybody acting so serious. So I go and I join one of his live videos on Instagram, I believe, and he saw me come in. I said hello, and he said, "Send me your address. I have something I want to send you." Okay. I didn't know, what it was. So, and what the point was, I was kind of concerned about it at first because I thought, oh, what's he gonna do, send me a bill? So anyway, I got the package. It was supposed to have been delivered yesterday, and I was expecting it to come onto the porch, and it didn't. And when I entered one of his live videos, he said, "Did you get it?" No. Well, then he had to show me it was delivered into the parcel box. Well, I live in a mobile home park, so I ran down while he was live. I ran down, and there it was. So here it is. And this thing's heavy. This is heavy. So we're going to open this and see what it is and see how it's going to. I think I know, but we'll see. I think I know. And if it is, don't mind me if I cry. If it's what I think, I have been saving so that I can get this stuff. And there are weeks I may put away 50 cents. There are weeks I may put away $5. Detailing is not absolute. You're going to have slow days, and, I'm learning that this industry is not much different from the industry I just came from, which was driving a truck in the construction industry. So when you have slow weeks and all of that, if $1 is all I can put aside, that's all I can put aside. So I knew it was going to be a long road, and I also knew that I wanted to try this product because I felt like it was important. The struggles that I've had they have left me feeling very, very defeated. So Here we go. If I cry, just turn away. Because I think I know what it is. It is. It's foam peanuts. Just teasing. I can smell it. This is the Flex Citrus. This was the one I was going to get. I'm going to have to get with him because I don't exactly know how to use this stuff. But these things are not inexpensive. These are about $100 for both. And there's one. I'm trying not to cry. This has been a hell of a journey. Oh, okay, so this is the Flex Ice, and this is the Flex with Citrus. So I got to get with him and figure out how to work it, and figure out how to use them properly, obviously. And Mr. Carlos, thank you. My journey has been a long one, and there has been battles, especially with the carpets and the upholstery. And trying my best to become good at this trade has been a challenge. I've been criticized, you know, because working at a car lot, they have a certain expectation that sometimes I just can't deliver. And I knew that there was just some things that just come down to the type of product that you use. So, tears and all, Mr. Carlos. Thank you very much for the foam peanuts. No, thank you very much for this. I am very, very grateful. Now I just have to figure out how to use it so that I can maximize your investment in me. So, with that being said, everybody, I'm going to go. Peace.